Now we're back in the H3 Hummer, and this time what we're going to do is we're going to remove this garbage factory radio here, and we're going to put in nice Pioneer doubled in with navigation. And it took about maybe 3 minutes to pull the factory radio out, and we have it sitting right here. Now you see the new radio in here, jamming to some Chris Ed Michelle right here. Works perfect, as you can see. Plays video and everything. Let's see. And you see it's playing the DVD. Doesn't matter if you're in park, reverse, drive, it doesn't matter, it still plays. You can get yours hooked up to a Greer Auto. And then we're gonna go back to the radio. See that? You can have this too. Make the call, it's just that simple. 708-821-3526.